So, what does it really take to keep a school running smoothly every single day? Well, it's way more than just teaching. It's a massive operational challenge with tons of moving parts.
Believe it or not, most schools are juggling over 100 different operational tasks every single day. And how's all this being managed? Well, usually it's a chaotic patchwork of totally disconnected tools. You've got information scattered everywhere: paper registers, random Excel files, and endless WhatsApp group chats. And this really highlights the stark contrast between that old way and the ideal way. This old system creates some serious problems. It basically leaves school leadership completely in the dark. So the main takeaway here is that this isn't just inefficient, it's actually pretty risky. All right, so let's talk about the solution. It's called a Security First Digital Platform, or SFDP. Basically, what it does is convert all those scattered processes into one single reliable digital record. And as you can see, this one platform gives you total operational coverage. Everything is included. It's a really clear three-step journey, taking you from all that manual work to full digital governance. And the result? You're not just organized, you gain complete control and clarity over the whole school. This means you're always ready. You're completely prepared for any inspection or audit anytime. For school leadership, the benefits are just massive. We're talking real-time visibility and seriously reduced risk.
So, this leaves us with a pretty important question. Is your school really prepared for what's next?